In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. People who are unemployed, people who are doing the small jobs, they do think very small. They're always looking for the survival. They do want something, maybe overwhelming number of them, maybe most of them, if not all of them. They are planning to have a small livelihood, a small employment, which can provide them the very basic needs of the life. This remains their target. Why is it a target like this one? Because they are unemployed, they have nothing. They have nothing, and maybe they don't have a vision. They are not visionaries. They don't realize that after 10 years of the once the 10 years has passed, the 15 years has passed, they will be having far more needs than they are having today. And the life is not just for the needs only. The life is just not just for the survival only. Rather, we do have the right to live a good life. We do have a right to live a good life. So the good life is not the privilege of few people only. Rather, the good life is the privilege of each and every human being. A good life is not the privilege of few only. Rather, it is the born right of each and every individual. So I don't have to just think for the survival. Rather, I do have to think for the prosperity. I do have to think for the affluence. I do have to think for a good life. I do have to think for a bigger life. Does not mean that I am unavailable for the small tasks in the beginning. I may do that for the time being. I can do that. But this is not my ultimate aim. This is not my goal. This is not my target. This is not my destination. And I don't have to make it a destination. Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. It is said that if you are born poor, there is nothing wrong in it. Not your fault. But if you die poor, it is definitely your fault. So you don't have to die poor. You do have to work for the affluence, you do have to work for the prosperity, you do have to work for the comforts and even for the luxuries of the life. If, first of all, even if you do have to do a small thing, a small job, a small employment, something which is giving you a very small amount of income, there must be a quality in it that it could take you toward the bigger, it could help you toward going, toward achieving something big. There are certain small jobs and employments where you are not only doing a small job, rather you are learning something, and this skill which you are learning can make you a self-employed person tomorrow in the near future. And if it makes you a self-employed person first and an employer, then it is okay. then it is then it is not bad to work in that small, on that small job, on that small employment. Then it is okay. But if at all you are not learning and there are no chances of improving, then I think it is far better to to get rid of that job. That is an insult to you. And also, and let me tell you that the small jobs, most of these are not the jobs actually, these are not the employments, rather these are the slaveries. These small jobs are slaveries. Why is it a slavery? Because even if you do have to you know respond the call of your nature, you do have to seek a permission and you do have to give an explanation. You can't take rest on the job, you can't. I mean, there are so many restrictions, which does not allow you to think independently, which does not allow you to think freely. That is why, first of all, it is far better not to opt for anything as small as this one. Do not opt for something as small as this one. But if at all you do have to, there must be one quality, there must be one merit, there must be one good thing in that job, in that employment, that it should be, you would be able to learn some important skill. This important skill will make you a self-employed person tomorrow, will make you an employer tomorrow. You will be having several employees instead of working for like an employee for the rest of your life. It is not fair with yourself, not fair with yourself at all. Abandon it. Do not think. Your needs are growing, your needs are growing, your needs are growing, but you don't need the needs only. Rather, you deserve the comforts of the life, you do deserve the luxuries of the life. You do have the right to develop, to get to gain the affluence and the prosperity. You do have the right to do that. This is the route to prosperity. From the zero to the hero, from the nothing to the great. If you are born poor, it is not your fault, but if you die poor, it is definitely your fault. Think big. Thinking big will make you big, and thinking small will make you small, what you want to be. It might be okay for you to be a small person today, but it will not be okay for you tomorrow, because your needs are growing. Today you might be a single, tomorrow you might be a person of the family. You may have to look after a family, and even those who remain single, their needs are growing as well, their wants are growing as well. Their needs are growing, their wants are growing. Their it is also their privilege to become a great, to become a big human being. They have every right to sit equal to the people who are so called the big in the society. What to do, what to do, where to go. Never ever be content with something which is too small, which is too trivial. You can do it for the time being, but it is far better not to opt for something. It is far better not to opt something which is small, but it will keep you small for the rest of your life as well. Rather, look for a job, look for an engagement, look for a busyness which is, no matter how small it is. Being small is not, it's not bad actually, but keeping you small, it is really bad, and it must be unacceptable. There must not be anything which will keep you small for the rest of your life. You must not opt for anything like this one. Rather, be in search of something, no matter how small it is, but it should be able to make you big tomorrow. Be a big person tomorrow. This is the route to prosperity, this is the route to affluence. Be a big person. Be a great human being. You have the right to become a great human being. So, affluence is a necessity. Prosperity is a necessity. Choose something very carefully, very carefully, very carefully. Your employment must be chosen very carefully. Otherwise, you will remain poor for the rest of your life. You don't have to be poor forever. You must not be poor forever. You are poor today, but you look for a ladder which can take you to the top, which can take you to the heights. This is your right. This is as much a right of yours as it is a right of those so called privileged people. Think royal. Your generosity will make you big. What to do now? What to do now? Make one decision in the life. Make one decision in the life. First of all, I won't be accepting anything which is too small. But even if I have to, I shall look for something which is, no matter how small it is today, but it can take me to the heights tomorrow, in the future. Anything which will keep me poor for the rest of my life must be despised upon. It is something disgusting. Never ever opt for anything like this one. Look for something which can make you big tomorrow. Thank you.